We have found out the top 5 best coffee makers products in the marketplaces with the best quality, features, performance, and the reliable pricing, so that you can pick the right one easily under your capacity. Now let's go to visit the top 5 best coffee makers products. Our top rank number 5. Cuisinart DCC 3200, 14 cup glass carafe. Now let's go to details. You will get better quality coffee without losing the taste and flavor. You can simply make both of the bold and regular flavors of your coffee. Due to the automatic 24 hours programmability, it features an easy and hassle-free using. Features an auto shut-off function, and an adjustable keep warming temperature controlling system, which are also very helpful. Our top rank number 4, Cuisinart CHW12 Coffee Plus 12 Cup Programmable. Now let's go to details. Made of various useful features and design. You will enjoy 1 to 4 cup settings and self-cleaning function. In addition, you will get the facility of an instant soup, tea, or cocoa's making. The auto on/off function is very useful, and this machine is very easy to use with the indicator light. Our top rank number 3, Hamilton Beach 49981, single serve scoop coffee maker. Now let's go to details. Made of great design and quality. The construction is great enough and delivers a long-lasting lifespan. Suitable for various types of coffee grinds. After brewing the coffee, it will turn off automatically. The design is so amazing with the facility of adjusting the cup size. It also works with differing boldness levels. Our top rank number 2. Hamilton Beach 49980, single serve. Now let's go to details. An affordable item which is also very durable. Works with single serve brew function, and you will enjoy a fresh coffee each time. Works with two-way brewing function. Features an auto shut-off, and the brew strength function is very useful, for both of the regular and bold coffee very easily. Our top rank number 1, Hamilton Beach 48464, coffee maker with 12 cup. Now let's go to details. Great quality with the internal heater that keeps the coffee fresh and hot for up to 4 hours. It has the capability of brewing up to 12 cups. It also features an easy filling due to the removable internal tank. There is also the facility for maintaining the coffee temperature with the gentle heater. Thanks for watching this video. Please check the descriptions below to find out your favorite one. We have selected here our top rank 5 products for you to pick the right one. To get more new reviews video, subscribe our channel.